given that y is inversely proportional to x and that y is equal to 0.2 and x is 160, find an expression for y in terms of x. So inversely proportional to x, okay, so y is inversely proportional to x. So the relationship that exists this time is y on one side, x on the other. We're still going to use that fish symbol, okay, we always use that alpha letter there, variable there, symbol to represent proportional, but because it's inversely, we're going to write 1 over, okay, it's like the reciprocal, so we're going to write 1 over whatever this is, and of course it's just x. So that's the relationship that exists. To change it to an equation, we need to now make this equals to a constant then times this, so it's a multiple of this, so a constant times this will be k over x, okay? Because if you times this by anything, you times the top numbers together, yes? If you times this by a number, or times it by k, it'd be k times 1, so k over x. And then we just substitute in the values they've given us. So y is 0.2, and x is 160, okay? So then we multiply, take it over, we multiply to get that, so 0.2 times 160, okay? So if you think about it, 0.2 is a fifth, so we're actually dividing 160 by 5 when you're working out 0.2 of that, so we get 32, okay? K will be 32, and then your expression will be 32 upon x, okay? Y will equal 32 upon x. So in part B then, we're given these values, so 128, so x is 128, so we put that in, 32 over 128. So this simplifies down. I suppose really we could just write that in actually as it is, because we don't have to simplify it, fraction, but I think you can see that would be a quarter, yeah, because 32 goes into 128 4 times, so you put a quarter, or 0.25, and then when this is 0.8, we put that there. Okay, so this time, we've got x on the denominator, so we need to get x on the other side, so we multiply, so we have that. So then, and we can take the 0.8 over, we could just sort of swap these, couldn't we? So we've got 32 divided by 0.8, okay? So to sort of eliminate the decimal here, we can scale this, so we can make it 10 times bigger. So we get 8 on the bottom. But of course, if you're making the bottom 10 times bigger, you need to make the top 10 times bigger, so we get 320. And 320 divided by 8, well, 32 divided by 8 is 4, so 32 divided by 8 is 4, so it would be 40. Okay.